dear friends, I'm Arvasha, and today I want to discuss about the very basic informations about the parts of the sentences. So let's begin. Okay friends, there are parts of sentences. Basically there are three parts of sentences: subject, verb and then object. Firstly, I want to discuss subject. Before making you clear what is subject, I want to tell you about that auxiliary verb is always equal to helping verb. And now, what is subject? Subject is a word which comes before the main verb and normally performs the action, or the doer of action is called subject. Let's make it understand more deeply. Subject एक ऐसा लफ्ज़ है जो कि उमूमी तौर पे किसी किस्म का काम सरअंजाम दे रहा होता है. दूसरे लफ्ज़ों में जुमले में काम करने वाला सब्जेक्ट कहलाता है. एग्जाम्पल, यू कम हियर, दे इन्फॉर्म अस. मिसाल से ये मज़ीद वाज़ह हो जाता है. यू कम हियर, कम इज़ अ वर्ब, इट्स अ एक्शन, इट्स एन एक्शन, एक्शन इज़ डन बाय यू. काम आना जो ये काम है और ये काम सरअंजाम पाया है यू की वजह से. और जैसे कि हमने डेफिनेशन में देखा है, जुमले में काम करने वाला सब्जेक्ट कहलाता है. काम जो है आना है, ये एक काम है और ये काम यू के ज़रिए हुआ है, तो यू जो हुआ इस जुमले में सब्जेक्ट हुआ. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज देयर, दे इन्फॉर्म अस. इंफॉर्मेशन इज अ वर्ब and it is done by they. So in this sentence, they is subject. Also look at the types of subject. There are three types of subjects: first person, second person and then third person. In first person, in singular senses is I and in plural senses is we. As second person, in singular senses is you and in plural senses is you, also you. In third person, he, she, it or any singular name. It means he, she, it or any singular name means the name that will be used will be single. Ali or could be Jerry, like this all. And in plural senses, they or any plural noun. Plural nouns means there could be name of two persons gathered, Jerry and John, Ali and Fraz, like this. So friends, it was the definition and some little information, deep basic information regarding subject. And now let's move towards object. In parts of sentences, the second thing that we are going to discuss is object. Now what is object? Object is a word which comes after the main verb and normally receives the action, or the receiver of action is called object. ऑब्जेक्ट एक ऐसा लफ्ज़ है जो उमूमी तौर पर वर्ब के बाद आता हो और किसी न किसी किस्म के अमल को वसूल करने वाला हो. दूसरे लफ्ज़ों में किसी भी अमल का वसूल कुनंदा ऑब्जेक्ट कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू इन्फॉर्म मी, दे कॉल मी. यू इन्फॉर्म मी, इन्फॉर्म इज वर्ब, and according to definition, object is a word which comes after the verb. Inform is a verb and me is a word which comes after the verb, then it is object. Now they call me, call is a verb and me is after subject, a verb, then it is object. There are few subjective and objective cases. The subjective case is I, the objective case of I is me, the subjective case is you, the objective case of you is also you. Then we, us, he, him, she, her, they, them, it, it. Now move towards our last part of sentence, that is verb. So what is verb? A verb talks about action, state and time. The time is present, past and future. वर्ब जो है किसी एक्शन, स्टेट और टाइम के बारे में बात करता है. वर्ब में टाइम, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट और फ्यूचर होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सी, वांट, लव, नीड, स्मेल, टेस्ट, लाइक, डिसलाइक, अंडरस्टैंड, रीड, राइट, नो, बिलीव, एक्सेट्रा. ऑल दिस आर द मिक्सचर ऑफ स्टेट एंड एक्शन वर्ब्स. In upcoming my video, I will tell you about it, how can we differentiate between state and action verbs. मैं अपने आने वाली वीडियो में स्टेट और एक्शन वर्ब के दरमियान का फ़र्क बताऊँगी फॉर माई न्यू वीडियो एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon. So you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.